How's it going, guys? Lock picking coal miner here. I was going to do a pick a lock for Peter. He'd been in the hospital a couple weeks ago. I believe he's not doing too good. So I was just going to let him know he's in her prayers or her thoughts. I hope everything works out. He's got a really good channel. He's always got some awesome locks. So I was going to show him some of these brass locks, solid brass, because he likes them. So this one's a Hercules USA 900. This one's a little newer one, PickALock USA 900. They got the same keyways on them. And I got two more, Wilson Bohannon and a Hercules 800, my bad. Really nice locks. Same keyways on these. So I was going to try to pick one for you, Peter. See if I can. But I can't single pin pick it. I don't know why. So I'll try to rake it for you. I made this rake. I'll use it. See if I can get it open. See, it rakes open easy. But can't single pin pick it. I was just going to share it with you. But I hope everything does work out. Just to let you know we was thinking about you. Thank you.